Hi everyone, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video, we are going to see 8 Viber settings that there is no need to be on in your Viber. So let's open Viber and tap on More and then tap on Settings. Now the first thing to mention here is about privacy. Tap on Privacy and let's see the settings here that it's better to be off. Now, the first one to mention here is Allow Friend Suggestions. So here, you're allowing Viber to suggest you to people who may know you. There's no need for that one for me, and I recommend to toggle it off if you are concerned about privacy. Now, let's go down a little bit and see. Viber lets users who are not in your contacts see your photo. Again, if you're concerned about privacy, toggle this one off as well. Here, let's go further down and we have use peer-to-peer. Of course, this setting, if it is on, improves call quality, but reveals your IP address to others in the call. If you're concerned about your IP address, toggle it off. And here as well, under personal data, tap on it. These two options, I believe, is better. Toggle them off. The first one collects analytics. So Viber collects activity data to improve their product and performance. I don't believe this is like something I care about. The other thing, allow content personalization. Of course, content displayed in the app will be based on your interests to enhance your experience. For this one as well, I recommend to toggle it off. Let's go back further and tap on Media. Now here we have some other settings that I believe you need to toggle them off. The first one to mention here is Save to Gallery. So photo messages will be automatically saved to your camera roll. Of course, it's better to toggle it off. Why? Because of the storage on your device. If you're concerned and you want to save some storage on your device, toggle this one off. It's much better. The other thing, auto-download media. If you are sometimes using your data or cellular data, it is better to toggle this one off, but if you are on Wi-Fi, it's okay. The other setting here, I believe it's better to be toggled off, is autoplay videos. Allow videos to play automatically once downloaded. I don't really like it. I will toggle it off from here. So yeah, these were the 8 settings that I believe it's better to keep them off in your Viber. If you don't think so, keep them on. There is no problem. Everyone is free. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends. See you next time.